Hi children, we are going to do another exercise for us to remember what we learned. Underline proper noun. So we are going to read the sentences, identify proper nouns. Then when you identify a proper noun, you already know, oh, it should be in capital, so change into capital letter. We are going to remember all that. And when there is a sentence, the sentence also, any sentence, it begins with a capital letter. Yes? Good. So today's exercise is to help us to remember what we learned, to recollect back proper nouns. Yes, names of persons, places. It should be capital letter. So it's an exercise for us to remember what we already learned. Underline the proper nouns after changing into capital letter. Identify, change, then underline. Yes, let's look at our first exercise. Look, first let's read. Look what we have. You remember this face? Yes, Chacha Nehru. Yes? How do you remember him? Cap and a red rose on him. Chacha Nehru ji. Now, let's read what is here. Identify what is a proper noun. Change the letter. And if there is another sentence, let's see that it begins with a capital letter. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on November 14, 1889. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children, that you know. He was very fond of children. Now, so Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on November 14, 1889. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and he was very fond of children. Now, what are we doing? Let's find the proper noun. First word, Jawaharlal Nehru. Is it a proper noun? Yes. If so, it's the name of the Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister. If it's a proper noun, then we have to change J into capital, N into capital. Yes? So Jawaharlal Nehru, we change the letter J, we'll N into capital. So we have done the first lot. Next, born in, Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad. Allahabad is also proper noun, name of a place where he was born. So we change the A into capital letter. That's another proper noun, name of a place. Okay, born in Allahabad on November. November is the name of the month. Name of a month is also proper noun. So the N should be changed into capital letter. November 14, 1889. Next, Nehru was, Nehru. Again the name comes, Nehruji's name, capital letter. It's a proper noun. N, we replace capital letter Nehru. Was the first Prime Minister of India. India is a country. Name of our country. I should be written in capital letter. Good. Next, full stop. Or any word that comes after the full stop, it should begin with the capital letter he. H should be changed into capital letter he. Was very fond of children. Now let us underline the proper nouns. Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's underline. Jawaharlal Nehru, proper noun, we underline. Okay? Did you underline? Jawaharlal Nehru? Yes. The next one. Allahabad, proper noun. Allahabad, we underline. Next, November. Good. November. Good. Next, Nehru. Again, India. India. And he, that's the he. Okay, fine. Now, Jawaharlal Nehru, Allahabad, November, Nehru, India. All these are the proper nouns. Okay, here we change because after a full stop, any word should be in capital letter. So today we learn to identify, change the letter if it is a proper noun, and underline. Did you enjoy this exercise? Good. Read on. Let's read on. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on November 14, 1889. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children. Did you enjoy this exercise? Let's take another. Identify the proper nouns, change the letter, and let's underline. First, let's read. Look at the face. Do you remember this face? Where do you find this face often? In your paper notes. You look at any note, you find Mahatma Gandhiji's face on the note. Now let's read what's here. Mahatma Gandhiji was born in Porbandar on October 2nd, 1869. Gandhiji was a freedom fighter of India. He is called the father of our nation. Okay, now we have to identify proper noun, change the letter. Shall we do that? Now Mahatma Gandhi's name is here. Mahatma Gandhi. That is his name. So proper noun, M should be in capital letter. Let's change it. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. That is his full name. G should be in capital letter. Was born in Porbandar. That's the name of a place. P should be in capital. That's also a proper noun. Good. On October. What is October? Name of a month. Again, it's a proper noun. O should be in capital letter. Third. October 2nd, 1869. Very good. Gandhiji. Again, the name comes here. G should be in capital. It's proper noun. Was a freedom fighter of India. What is India? Your country. I should be in capital. Good. Next, full stop. Any word that comes after the full stop should begin with a capital letter. So H we are changing. He. He is called the father of our nation. Let's read the whole thing. Mahatma Gandhiji was born in Porbandar on October 2nd, 1869. Gandhiji was a freedom fighter of India. He is called the father of our nation. Now, what are we going to do? Underline the proper nouns. Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Porbandar, proper noun. October, proper noun. Gandhi, proper noun. Finally, India. So, Mahatma Gandhi, Porbandar, October, Gandhi, India. All the underlined words are proper nouns. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take another exercise. All right? Good. Here we are. Look at this face. You remember this? It's a beautiful poet. She's written lovely, beautiful poems. Let's read. Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad on February 18, 1879. Naidu was a great political activist. She was also a great poet. Now we're going to identify the proper noun. This is her name, Sarojini Naidu. Her name. S should be capital, N should be capital because proper noun, the name of a great poet of India. Sarojini Naidu. N also in capital letter. So we identify the first proper noun. Now, Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad. It's the name of a place. H should be in capital. Hyderabad on February. What is February? Name of a month. So F should be in capital. February 13, 1879. Naidu, again her name is coming up. N should be capital. Naidu was a great political activist. She was also a great poet. Now, any word that comes after the full stop, the word should begin with a capital letter. So we write S capital. Now what are we going to do? Underline the proper noun. Her name, Sarojini Naidu, is a proper noun. We underline. She was born in Hyderabad, the name of a place. We underline. She was born in February, name of the month. We underline. Again, Naidu's name comes up here. So we underline. So we have Sarojini Naidu, Hyderabad, February, Naidu, all underlined. They are all proper nouns, all begin with capital letter. Did you enjoy, children? Good.